Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Conversation Practice. I'm Anna, your English teacher.
And I'm Mark, your English learner friend. Hello, everyone.
Today, we'll practice English that you can use at a restaurant.
Nice. I love food and eating out.
Me too. Eating out is fun, and it's a great way to practice English.
Yes, many people travel and need English in restaurants.
Exactly. So, today, we'll learn how to order food, ask for recommendations, make small talk, and pay the bill.
That sounds great.
And remember, we will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen and repeat. Try to shadow us. Speak together with us.
Okay, let's start our restaurant adventure.
Let's imagine we arrive at a restaurant. Mark, what's the first thing you hear when you go in?
Maybe. Hello. Do you have a reservation?
Exactly. That's the first question many waiters ask. Hello, do you have a reservation?
And if I do have a reservation, I can say, yes, I have a reservation for two.
Perfect. Let's practice that. Repeat after us, listeners. Yes, I have a reservation for two. If you don't have a reservation, you can say, no, I don't. Do you have a table for two?
No, I don't. Do you have a table for two?
Good job. The waiter might say, yes, right this way, please. Or, please follow me.
So polite.
Yes. Let's shadow together. Right this way, please. Please follow me.
And then they take you to your table.
Yes. And maybe say, here is your table. Or, please have a seat.
Please have a seat. I hear that often.
It's very common. So, let's review this part. When you enter a restaurant, hello, do you have a reservation? Yes, I have a reservation for two. Or, no, do you have a table for two? Great job. Now, we sit down and the waiter brings the menu.
Yes, they usually say, here's the menu.
Correct. Or, here are your menus.
And sometimes they say, can I get you something to drink?
Perfect. That's often the first question. Let's practice together, slowly. Can I get you something to drink?
I can say, yes, water please. Or, yes, I'd like a coffee.
Excellent. Let's repeat that. I'd like some water, please. I'd like a coffee, please. If you don't know what to order, you can ask, what do you recommend? Or, what's good here?
What's good here? I like that. It's short and friendly.
Yes, people use it a lot. Let's shadow both. What do you recommend? What's good here? Now, sometimes the waiter will tell you about specials. They might say, our special today is grilled salmon.
Ooh, I like salmon.
Me too. So you can answer, that sounds good. Or, I'll have that.
I'll have that.
Exactly. Now, if you need more time, you can say, can we have a few more minutes, please?
Can we have a few more minutes, please?
Perfect pronunciation, Mark. Let's review. Can I get you something to drink? I'd like a coffee, please. What do you recommend? Can we have a few more minutes?
Very useful phrases for restaurants.
Okay, now we're ready to order. The waiter comes back and says, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Haha, me too. Let's practice some ordering sentences. You can say, I'd like the chicken, please. I'll have the steak. Can I get the salad?
I'd like the chicken. I'll have the steak. Can I get the salad?
Excellent. All of them are polite and correct. Now, if you want to ask about ingredients, you can ask, "What's in this dish?" Or, "Does it have meat?"
What's in this dish? Does it have meat?
Good. You can also ask about spice. Is it spicy? Is it sweet?
Is it spicy?
Perfect. If you want to make a small change, you can say, "Can I have it without onions?" Or, "Can I have the sauce on the side?"
Can I have it without onions? Can I have the sauce on the side?
Very polite, Mark. And don't forget to say please and thank you. That makes everything sound friendly.
Yes, polite English always helps.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about drinks.
Yes, I always need something to drink with food.
Most people do. The waiter might ask, "Would you like something to drink?" Or, "What would you like to drink?"
I can answer, I'd like a glass of water. Or, just water for me, please.
Perfect. Let's shadow together. "I'd like a glass of water. Just water for me, please." You can also order a cup of tea, a coffee, a glass of orange juice, a bottle of water.
How do I ask for a refill?
Good question. You can say, "Can I have another one, please?" Or, "Could I get a refill, please?"
Could I get a refill, please?
Perfect. Sometimes you need something extra, like salt or napkins. Let's learn how to ask politely.
Okay.
You can say, "Could I have some salt, please?" "Can I have some ketchup, please?" "Could I get a napkin, please?"
Could I have some salt, please? Could I get a napkin, please?
Very nice. And when the waiter gives it to you, say, "Thank you so much."
Thank you so much.
Always polite, always friendly. Now, let's imagine we're eating. The waiter comes and asks, "How's everything?" Or, "How's your meal?"
Oh, yes, I hear that often.
Yes, it means they want to know if you like the food.
So I can say it's delicious.
Perfect. Or, "It's really good." "It's perfect. Thank you."
It's perfect. Thank you.
Good. If you have a problem, you can say, "Excuse me, my soup is cold." Or, "Sorry, this isn't what I ordered."
Excuse me, my soup is cold.
Yes, polite, not angry. And if everything is okay, you can say, "Everything's great, thank you."
Everything's great. Thank you.
Now we finish the main meal. What comes next, Mark?
Dessert.
Yes, dessert. The waiter might ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Exactly. You can answer, "Yes, please," or, "No, thank you, I'm full."
No, thank you. I'm full.
If you want dessert, you can say, "I'd like some ice cream," or, "I'll have the chocolate cake."
I'll have the chocolate cake.
Yum. And if you're not sure, you can ask, "What desserts do you have?" Or, "What's your favorite dessert?"
That's a good question to ask the waiter.
Yes, it's friendly and natural. Okay, now it's time to pay. Do you know how to ask for the bill, Mark?
Yes, I think I can say, can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. That's polite and common. You can also say, "Can we get the check, please?"
Ah, bill is British English, right?
Yes, bill is British English. Check is American English. Both are okay. The waiter might say, "Of course, I'll bring it right away."
Right away means soon, right?
Exactly. It means quickly or immediately.
Good to know.
When the waiter brings the bill, you can say, "Thank you." Then you can check the total and pay.
Can I ask, do you take credit cards?
Yes, that's very common. Do you take credit cards? Or, can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. If you pay in cash, you can say, I'll pay in cash. And don't forget to leave a tip.
Oh, yes. Usually about 10 to 15%, right?
Yes, that's normal in many countries. Sometimes people like to make small talk at the restaurant.
Yes, it feels nice to be friendly.
Exactly. You can say things like, everything looks great here, or this restaurant is beautiful,
This restaurant is beautiful.
or ask a friendly question. How long have you worked here?
How long have you worked here?
Good job. The waiter might say, about 2 years.
Then I can say, that's nice.
Perfect. Small talk helps you connect with people and to practice English. Okay, now let's do a full role play, slowly. You can listen first, then shadow with us. Hello, welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, right this way, please. Here's your table. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water, please.
Of course. Today's special is grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Would you like any drinks with that?
Just water, thank you.
How's everything?
It's delicious, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'll have some ice cream.
Great. I'll bring it right away.
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Okay, thank you very much. The food was amazing.
Thank you. Have a great day. Very good. That's a full restaurant conversation. Now let's practice it one more time, slowly. Repeat after us, listeners. Do you have a reservation?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Can I get some water, please?
It's delicious, thank you.
Can I have the bill, please?
Do you take credit cards?
Very good. Excellent work, everyone. Let's learn some useful restaurant words. I'll say the word and Mark will explain it. Menu,
The list of food and drinks.
starter,
The first small dish, like soup or salad.
main course,
The big dish, like steak, pasta, or fish.
dessert,
Sweet food at the end. Cake, ice cream.
bill or check,
The paper that shows how much you pay.
tip,
Extra money you give for good service.
Very good. Let's repeat all together. Menu, starter, main course,
Dessert.
bill, tip. Great job! Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
We learned how to talk in a restaurant from start to finish.
Yes, we practiced arriving at a restaurant, ordering food and drinks, asking for recommendations, asking for things at the table, talking during the meal, ordering dessert, asking for the bill, paying and saying goodbye. Now let's repeat some of the most useful phrases slowly. Listeners, please shadow us. Do you have a table for two?
I'd like the chicken, please.
What do you recommend?
Can I get some water, please?
It's delicious, thank you.
Can I have the bill, please?
Do you take credit cards?
The food was amazing.
Wonderful.
This was really fun, and now I feel ready to eat in any restaurant.
That's great, Mark. And to all our listeners, practice these sentences again and again. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound.
Yes, shadowing helps you sound fluent and confident.
Exactly.